everybody, Rajni here from Sashak Empowering Lives. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to teach the child the concept of a and an. So what you are going to see now is a video of an actual student who came to us, and she was facing major problems with using a and an interchangeably for vowels and consonants. No matter how much we were explaining in words, she wasn't understanding and would land up using the wrong article, and sometimes it would be correct, sometimes most of the times it would be wrong, so it was only fluke. So the video that follows will show you how to teach it in a way. When the child was taught like what is shown, the child started to give 100% correct answers on a and an every time. We have also included some test sheets of the child in the end, so that to give you an idea that when the test was given, it was 100% zero error response and the child had learnt it. Watch the video. Audio Jungle.
Take next picture. Come on. Take whatever you want. What is that?
Frog.
Frog starts with
F.
F is a
Consonant.
So which side will it go? Look carefully.
A frog.
Excellent. It will not be an frog. It will be a frog. How about trying with the N? Tell me about this one now. Think carefully and then tell.
This is a egg.
Think. How do we spell it? How do we spell it?
What is the spelling of egg?
It starts with the letter E.
Okay, so which side will it go? It starts with the letter E. Look carefully. Which side will it go?
An egg.
Excellent. You got it. You got it. Yeah. Next one, please. How about the axe? Can you try the axe? Which side will it go? What does it start with?
It starts with A.
So which one? Focus, tell me.
Where will it go? A or an?
A.
Look at the
Look
board.
up and then tell.
An axe.
Excellent. Please put it there. She just needs a little more practice. So you will cover this. And yeah, you got more.
Now you tell us, okay?
Okay. This is the guitar.
Okay.
Guitar starts with
Think and tell.
Is a guitar.
And which side will it go? A guitar or an guitar?
A guitar.
Very smart. Okay. Fingers out with the nose, please. Yes, good. Okay. Come on.
If
Next.
we famous.
next one.
Yeah. We have lots of work to do. Empty the board if it is needed to. Yeah. If there's space, fine. Otherwise. Okay, come on. So, I hope you learned the technique by watching the video. Comment down below if you have anything specific that you would want me to help you with in terms of academics. Also, I would love to hear from you that once you used this technique, how did your child respond? Like, subscribe, and share. And share this with somebody who will benefit from this, and do not forget to press the notification button.